This is Al. Now, today I'm going to be talking to you about how you can get your first clients. All right. And it's going to be a little different than how usually people talk about doing online marketing or offline marketing or getting clients. I want to share with you the nuts and bolts of how things work in the real world if you're trying to bootstrap it or just get out there and start making some money. All right. So this is what you're going to have to do. All right, one of the things that you're going to have to do is understand that most business professionals are interested in having things done for them in a fast and efficient way. So what happens here is that when you are targeting a business and you're saying, this is the company I want to do business with, these are the services I want to offer, or these are the niches that I think I can help them with, or the different services I can help them with. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and pretend like you already have that client. And what you want to do is prepare your ads, your campaigns, your information. You just want to have everything ready to go. If you see that they have a jacked up, crappy website, you want to go ahead and make a awesome website for them. If you see that they have ads online that are terrible and you know that you can do better ads for them, then you go ahead and make those ads. And then what happens is you put in your branding, you send over a link that you control, and you basically contact the company via email. If you have some information via SMS, and you just say, look, I saw this stuff on online, your current ads, and I think we can do a better job for you. Please click the links below to view what we've worked out. The companies will usually just be curious enough to say, hey, well, what did you work out? Then when they click on the link, they see fabulous. Okay, if you're really doing something really good. And then they say, wow, we could look this way, we could be this way. And then you have your contact information there. People contact you. And what happens is they say, well, what do we need to do to get these ads? What do we need to do? How much do we need to pay you? And basically, you've got them. Now, here's the thing. One of the hindrances to getting clients is your contracts. What happens is you need to state all your terms, all the things that you do right there on your website. When you invoice people, you need to put a link in that invoice, letting them know that all the terms and conditions to this project are featured on your website. And by paying this invoice, you agree to all the terms and conditions featured on our website. Okay? And that's basically it. It's like you've gone from just designing something fabulous, sending it over. That is the hook. It gets them to contact you. They sign up for the service. You've already done most of the work. And if they need some things tweaked, you tweak it. All right. So that's how you get your first client. Start using your current contacts in your phone. And then you can also branch out. And then if you want to learn how to get clients online, or if you want somebody to just basically take it over for you and do that for you, then you contact us and we'll be glad to help you get more clients, because that's all we do is help our clients get more clients. All right, guys, our contact information is in the link below. Please click on this video subscription area to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later, and have a wonderful day.